Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to play chess on Duolingo. First, open the Duolingo app on your phone. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version so you can see all available courses. After that, tap on the language you are currently learning. You can find it in the top left corner of the screen. When you tap on it, a list of courses will appear. Now look for the section called New Courses. Under this section, find the chess icon and tap on it. This will add the chess course to your account. Once you select chess, Duolingo will ask you a few questions. The first question will be about your chess experience. It will ask how much you know about chess. If you are new and do not know much, tap on I am a total beginner. If you already know how to play, you can choose another option that matches your level. Next, Duolingo will ask if you want to start from scratch or let Duolingo recommend a level for you. If you are not sure, you can let Duolingo recommend the best starting point. After that, the course will begin. At the start, Duolingo will guide you through the basics. It will show you the chessboard and explain what each piece does and how each piece moves. As you continue, you will complete small lessons and simple chess puzzles. You will move pieces on the board and practice different situations. In some lessons, Duolingo may also play as your opponent so you can practice real gameplay. Thanks for watching.